Hi guys, welcome to another weekly vlog. Vlogmas is over, but we're still vlogging, and honestly, what is going on my nose? I don't even know what type of breakout this is. Like, it's terrible, and basically the skin is just peeling off in that area now. It's great. It is a Friday morning. I do have to work later tonight. I close, so I go in around 2, and hopefully it won't be too crazy. Yesterday was nutso. It was like, you know, after Christmas, people were returning stuff, exchanging, and using those gift cards. It was just a crazy day. So, no ma'am, no. Ugh. But I'm making coffee right now, and then I'm going to show you guys a little package that I just got. So, this is what I ordered on Thanksgiving. I am so salty about this, and I don't know. Let me know if you guys ordered anything on Thanksgiving and what the delivery was like for you, because I literally got this yesterday on the 26th after ordering on Thanksgiving Day, and yeah, I just think it's a little bit ridiculous. I understand, like, things are slow, I get it, but like, I ordered this like Christmas lip set. Like, okay, and then I got it the day after Christmas. Otherwise, I would be so happy about this. Like, the little packaging with white and rose gold is so cute. I've been waiting on this concealer because I love it, and I've been out of it. I literally just filmed my favorites and was talking about this concealer, but I didn't have it. Also, I've never purchased this palette, but I've been wanting it, and I just didn't really want to pay for it. But now that I have it, I am happy to have it. Don't get me wrong. It kind of took all the excitement away from it because I had to wait so long to get everything. So I don't know. I'm just not as excited as I would have been. It's a beautiful palette. You know, the lips obviously are gorgeous. I've wanted Drug Lord for a long time because I wanted to be able to use it as liner to mix it with other things, and then the green will be really nice as a liner as well. On the one day that I might have worn it on my lips, Christmas, I didn't have it. But at any rate, I mean, it is what it is. I got it. Stuff was in good condition. For those people who got their stuff so very late, because apparently my order was in like the last 5% to go out, I feel like they should have done something and like added another item or given you like a coupon or something. Like ColourPop, I think, always does a really good job. If you don't get your order within a certain amount of time, they'll put in like some mini lips or something and say, sorry, we're late. It's a little thing that doesn't cost that much that really shows people that, you know, hey, I understand this may be frustrating. Here's a little something for your trouble. And I don't know, I just think it's like an integrity move, and, you know, they didn't do that. The bigger problem than that is I let customer service know that I was missing a product from my Shane Jeffrey order. I ordered a ton of stuff, if you guys recall. Like, I spent a lot of money and only one item was missing. It was just one of the glosses, but I paid for an item and I didn't get it, and I've been waiting. It's going on 2 months. It's been over 6 weeks since I got that, and I think it's been close to 2 months. So yeah, I paid for a gloss. I never received it, and I still haven't gotten any response whatsoever. And like, I get it, okay, things take a while when you're backed up, but like, bruh, if I can't get a response in 6 or 7 weeks to a customer service like request, yeah, things aren't going well. And yeah, they'll improve it, I'm sure, whatever, but I just want my refund. Like, I just want my money back for my item. And it sucks because it's Jeffrey, and I love him. I love the products. You know, obviously I love Shane, but I ordered so much stuff, and then to have, you know, no response for so long. Like, I ordered 4 palettes, 2 of each palette. I ordered a purse, the lip set, 2 glosses. Like, I ordered everything, and a mirror, and a mirror. So I spent hundreds of dollars, and, you know, I just want a refund for the one item that wasn't sent to me. And I think that's what's fair, and I think that it shouldn't take 6 weeks to get a response. I don't know. I'm just a little salty about it, and I hate that it's, you know, that it's a company that I actually really love that I'm having issues with. Because if it was like some random company, I would be like, fuck it, I'm never ordering from them again. But I love Jeffree stuff. Like, come on. At any rate, I'm gonna stop rambling. Let me turn this way. Is that better? Oh God. I have a mystery box from Suva Beauty coming today, or a mystery bag. It's supposed to have so many items in it, so if I get that, by the time I can still film with it, I'm gonna film that and quickly get that one up for you guys, hopefully tonight. If not, I am working on this morning. I'm gonna be editing my favorites of the year, and then tomorrow I'm gonna film my fails of 2019, which honestly aren't that many, like, but there's some stuff in there that's just so bad. Anyway, we'll talk about it, and hopefully I get that package relatively early so that I can get ready to film before I go to work and maybe even start editing it. I should have probably gotten up earlier, but I gotta get to editing, so I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so this is a shitty angle. Oh, let me take my hair down. This is the state of my hair today. It looks okay. The phone's making it look like pretty and shiny. I assure you in person it doesn't look like that. I just went to Victoria's Secret, as you guys saw, but let me tell you a little story time. So this dumb bitch behind me, she's just standing behind me and she keeps bumping me. And I let it go for the, 3 times in a row. But the 4th time, I just kind of looked around and looked at her and was like, and then I just turned around. Just stop bumping me. Like, we're already in a, like, confined space. And so she gets on the phone. She's like, this fucking bitch in front of me, it thinks I'm trying to take her bag. No, bruh, it was my shopping bag. It was like my Victoria's Secret merchandise that I hadn't even bought yet. And I'm like, no, I don't think you're trying to steal it. And so I turned around and I said, no, you just kept bumping me is all it was. And then it was kind of funny because she was obviously just right behind me, and I got in line. They started ringing me out on the little mobile device, which it can be a little bit slower, but I'm totally patient. I don't give a shit. I'm being so nice to the lady because I know how it is. And then the girl behind me that was bumping me gets in line and they start ringing it up. She's like, no, that's too high. That's too high. It literally puts everything back after standing in line and like bitching and complaining. Like, I'm gonna film a haul. I'm really excited about what I got. This is a sneak peek of the boringness that I purchased. Like, I've been wearing the same 3 pair of Calvin Klein underwear over and over again. They're just like that, and I'm like, screw it, I'm just gonna get a bunch. You get 5 free if you purchase 3, but you purchase 3 at full price. So I got 8 pair for $31.50. It's not too bad. Like, it's not the most amazing deal, but I still really needed underwear. I'm going home. I'm gonna see if Zach wants something to eat because I have not eaten today because I had like this weird short shift. So that is it for now, and I'll talk to you guys in a little. This is my first time using my camera mount with my camera in my car, but I'm about to go out. I have a cough drop because my freaking throat just still hurts all the time. I was gonna tell you guys a little story. So Zach got me that Too Faced palette. It's like the holiday one. Oh my god, I need to put my hair down or something. I look ridiculous. Hello, sir. By the way, there was a little dog in my neighborhood, and I posted in our little community thing trying to figure out, oh god, is this gonna be super shaky? Whatever. But I posted in our community tab pictures of the dog and where he was, but I was thinking about taking him inside until somebody maybe responded, but then he like took off like he was on a mission to go somewhere. So that was that. So anyway, Zach got me that Too Faced palette. Just to be like 100% honest, I wasn't into it. And I did that Too Faced holiday video, but he didn't know that the reason I didn't buy it is because I didn't think that it was cute or whatever. So anyway, he was gonna take it back and exchange it for me, and I was like, look, just put it on a gift card. It'll be super easy. He had his receipt and all, and he went to Ulta and said, hey, can I just get this on a gift card? My girlfriend just wants to buy something else. But apparently
and he didn't tell me this until now, the manager like approved the return or whatever, grabbed a merchandise credit and was like, no, use this, to the girl who was ringing him up. So put it on a merchandise credit. Well, bitch, I was trying to order something online, and if he requests to have a gift card when he could get his original form of payment, then that is absolutely what you should be doing. I feel like they just kind of took advantage that he wouldn't know like what that was. And I don't know how Ulta's work, but at Sephora we don't do that. Like, whatever. Not to mention that I have kind of a history of them at this location being complete assholes, and it just kind of annoys the shit out of me. Now granted, people love to bitch about how girls at Sephora are mean, girls at Ulta are mean, whatever. I don't like that, because like obviously every person's different and this location is different. I'm not gonna like put them on blast or anything, but I did complain because I felt like they just totally took advantage, and I wanted to order new stuff that was coming out to do videos on, and they don't have most of what I wanted in the store yet. So yeah, just kind of pissed me off. And so I'm gonna go today and hopefully have a good experience. If things are going negative like they usually go, then I'm gonna have something else to say, because like they shouldn't be treating people, you know, like they're idiots or being rude, which is just something I've experienced there before. So at any rate, I'm probably just gonna take my phone in and I might vlog a little bit. I also might go to Bath & Body Works because there's one close to me. I'm not going to the mall, hell no. I did my Victoria's Secret thing yesterday, but I was like, maybe I can look at Bath & Body Works. I don't need a lot for sure, but maybe some hand soaps. Let me know how it is. Let me know if like, if this is super shaky. I don't know if it is or not. Let me know if it's bad or the noise. Give me some feedback. So I'm about to turn my camera off and I'm on my way. So I'll talk to you guys later. I'm going to Starbucks now. I need to check and make sure my card has the monies. Hi, can I get a grande caramel brulee latte and a venti ice water?
Okay, that latte, is that gonna be hot?
Yes, please.
Anything else for you?
That is it.
It's gonna be $5.72, Linda. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, there's a doggy behind me. I usually don't get water. I'm like choking. So let's see. Yes, I have $6.09 on my Starbucks card. Probably have enough for a free drink, but I'm gonna save it. I like to save my free drinks for when I'm an idiot and I don't budget correctly. And then I'm like, oh wait, I can get a drink because I have stars. So yeah, we're doing that. But anyway, let me show you what I got. These are all things I'm gonna be reviewing. So I really wanted to pick this up. This is the Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid. It has hyaluronic acid and collagen in it. So this is a new foundation from them. This is, I believe, the lightest, number 2, Fair Porcelain. I almost got Fair something else, maybe Fair Ivory, but I just knew that if it oxidized at all, the other one would be super dark and orange. So this one I think will work. And then I just got a bunch of NYX goodies because I saw that they had these things that said high glass, and I was like, what does high glass mean? And it's supposed to be like the glass skin kind of thing. So this finishing powder is really luminous. and I got one of the primers. There's 3 different colors. I also got this Born to Glow Radiant Concealer, and then a Radiant Finish Setting Spray, and then I got this for free apparently, a NYX, I think this is a contour palette. So I saw that online. I didn't know if they'd have it. It wasn't like a big deal to me if they didn't, but they gave it to me anyway. So not a bad experience. I mean, like, it's never great in there, but it wasn't terrible, which is an improvement. So I'm just going to, believe it or not, I'm not gonna go to TJ Maxx today. I know if I do, it's just gonna be like, it's gonna be too much. And I don't really wanna be out that long. So I'm gonna get Starbucks, I'm gonna check out Bath and Body Works, see if there's anything I want, and then go home, and I'm probably gonna watch some You and maybe like edit. Like I'll edit a little bit, watch an episode, edit, watch an episode. I have a lot of editing to do, and I don't think I'm gonna put a video up tonight. I think I'll just put the vlog up for you guys tomorrow, and then I think my favorites videos are gonna spill into the next year. You know what I mean, in a few days. Okay, it's taking a while. I'll talk to you guys in a minute. All right. So Zach wanted Taco Bell, the nastiest of diarrhea-inducing food. And then he didn't text me what he wanted, so I was like, hey. So I waited a few minutes in the parking lot. But Bath and Body Works, like, was not busy. They didn't have that many great deals, at least not yet. You know, they keep moving stuff. But they had like one 75% off table. That was literally it. Not impressive in the slightest. Oh. Okay. So I guess I have to turn around. There's somebody blocking. Somebody apparently went the wrong way on the interstate. So, okay. Let me stop vlogging. I gotta figure myself out.
Hey guys, so I have been home for a little while, but I wanted to go ahead and actually wrap up this vlog. I noticed that I had nearly 20 minutes of footage. Well, actually way more than that, but I went ahead and edited it and kind of saw where I was. And I'm just gonna do the vlog a day early. That way we continue kind of vlogging for December. So you get it one day early, you know, whatever. Let me know for this year, do you guys want me to be consistent about putting a vlog up on Monday, or just like when I feel like it's a good vlog, go ahead and put it up? You know what I mean? I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. I am going to film my Bath and Body Works / Victoria's Secret haul in the morning. I went ahead and did a little poll on Instagram, and most people were like, yeah, do them together as a haul video, and I'm like, cool. So I'll do that together, and then if I shop any more from the semi-annual sales, which I may, because you know they always have better deals and put other things on sale, then I'll do another video and we'll just call it part 2, but probably only going to be this one, I think. So that is it for now. I hope you guys are doing amazing. If you are watching this, I ask that you please make sure that you are subscribed. YouTube is definitely doing some clearing out of subscribers, and usually it's supposed to be inactive people who don't really watch. Inactive for a period of time. How long that period of time is, I'm not sure. But I have people occasionally tell me that they're unsubscribed even though they do watch my videos. So I ask that you guys double check and make sure that you're subscribed if you'd like to be. And yeah, leave me a thumbs up if you like the vlog, and I will see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye!